Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth, crypto traders and investors. It's Rod with Pow Group, your home for MJ stocks, crypto assets, news and interviews. Today is Wednesday, August 6th. Hope you're doing well. And in this video, we've got an exciting update. We have 3 buy signals, but one super massive buy signal that's flashing right now on ADA. We're going to bring up Cardano, price action, the chart, what to expect in terms of the technicals in the days, weeks, months ahead. But as always, not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. And spoiler alert, we could see massive upside. Like I said, we have 3 major bullish patterns that are forming, and I wouldn't be surprised to see us at 75 cents to $1 here in the not too distant future, maybe even in the next week or two. Before we get to it, make sure to smash the like. If you're new, you can subscribe, tick the bell, you'll be notified on any future videos. And you can follow us over on X as well, formerly Twitter. Handle for that is @GroupPow. Going to be using that as my platform of choice going forward. So the whole crypto market has been recovering after a bit of a FUD. It was a lot of uncertainty and fear and doubt that was taking over the market. And things are starting to rebound in a big way now. And I think a lot of the recovery is going to be based on rate cuts that will be coming in the US likely next month. Typically we run into these and it ends up being a sell the news event, and I think the blow off top is coming. I think it's more than likely going to happen over the next few months, and now's the time where we need to have a plan, right? Make sure that you have an exit plan. It's going to get pretty nutty. I think, Cardano can easily be back up to that $2-3 mark in a hurry, and maybe even as high as 75 cents to $1 here in the next couple of weeks. Like I said, we have 3 massive bullish patterns that are forming on the chart that could easily send us into the $2 or $3 mark again. We'll look at that in just a moment. While we're on the topic of crypto, I want to share with you a new project that I'm super stoked about and the sponsor of today's video. They are behind a new Web3 play to earn game called Gold Inc. And it's actually a real mobile MMO game, not just some tap to earn clone. First off, this is not financial advice and everybody should do their own research. This is for entertainment purposes only. Honestly, I can't say enough good things about it. And what's exciting is there's even more games coming soon. In the game, you build a gold mining empire. You can battle thousands of other players. Their token called SST is in pre-sale now, and if you use my link in the description and the comment section, you will actually get 100% bonus SST for a limited time. This is one of the most expansive Web3 games ever built, and here's a quick look at it.
Hello, my name's Colin Stone, and I'm here to talk to you today about my coin and game pick of the year. Do you ever wish you could have invested in billion-dollar market cap game coins like Axie Infinity at the start? Well, Gold Inc., a new game launching now, makes those look like they were made by a kid. It's the first Web3 real-time strategy, massive multiplayer online game on mobile, and it's by far the most expansive Web3 game ever built. Its pre-sale is also at ridiculously low market cap, around $10 million, and they are just about to launch the full game. Mine and steal crypto that is redeemable for real gold. That's Gold Inc., adding the most addictive features from a lot of the most successful games on Earth, the best elements of games like Clash of Clans, Game of War, Pokemon Go, Clash Royale, in an effort to make a super game to rule them all. The beta is available now in Google Play and App Store, and you can still take part in their coin distribution at a tiny market cap. Buy at the coin distribution now while it's at the lowest price and start mining it in the game. Beta users get significantly more SST for a short time, and early alliances have a significant long-term advantage. The launch price on exchanges is set at 5 times the current price, and its use cases are next level. Buy SST and play now.
There you have it. If you'd like to learn more, you can check out the links in the description and in the comment section. Once again, you'll get 100% bonus SST. There will also be links for the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store where you can download the game today and start playing. Full disclosure, this is a paid partnership and collaboration with Sapphire Studios. So check it out for yourself, and let's get back to today's video. All right, welcome back. So the first bullish pattern that we have on the chart is the hourly. You can see here, and this isn't just for ADA, that there's a lot of names that are hourly bull flags, daily bull flags. ADA on the hourly though, as long as we hold 73 cents, then we maintain this hourly bull flag, and key resistance is going to be 74.8 cents. If we break that, then it's hourly bull flag confirmed. Then you just take your measured move out to the 0.32 fib, and it's saying 76 cents would be the target after that. Now, another super bullish pattern that's forming is a golden cross with the 50-day moving average below the 200. They're set to cross really any week now. It could happen this week, but more than likely going to happen next week, I would think. And that is super bullish. And then what's even more bullish than that is when the 50 weekly and the 200 weekly moving average cross bullish. And you can just see that we had the 50 and the 100 cross bullish. We had a fake out and then another impulse here to the upside. And now we're seeing the 50 and the 200 moving average cross bullish. And that's the first time actually in history that's ever happened. And when that happens, that is a sign of major strength. Just look at XRP here whenever the 50 and the 200 weekly moving average crossed. Price went from about 60 cents all the way up to $3.60. Now, if we expect something similar here on ADA, we could easily be back up into that $2 or $3 mark, in my opinion, and that's more than likely going to be big alt season coming, right? There's going to be ETFs galore, spot ETFs that are going to be passed. There's going to be baskets. You could even see ADA as a no tax potential, no tax crypto, and I love the fact that it's deflationary. So again, I think a big move could be on the horizon here with this golden cross. You've got the 50-day below the 200-day. That could really happen over the next week or so. And we already had the bull cross of the 50 and the 200. But what normally happens is when you have these golden crosses or when you have these moving averages cross bullish, typically the price moves in anticipation because these are lagging indicators. They track the price. So typically the price has a big move. Then we see the bull cross of the moving averages. We come back towards it as support, and then we rock it. And you can see we're finding perfect support right now off of that 200 weekly moving average. Actually, sorry, it's the 50 weekly moving average. So things are looking really, really good here at the moment. We have the 50 weekly there at 70 cents, and price is stagnant here at the moment at 74 cents. So like I said, we're just looking for that launch pad and that back test, and this is looking really good for continuation here into the next week or so. And again, if we just zoom out to the 4-hour time frame, there's a lot of inverse head and shoulders that were forming. There's not a super clear one here on ADA compared to some of our other names, but you can make the case that this is your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder. And if we did confirm that, you'd be looking at a move. We'll just go from the head to the neckline. You're looking at around a move up to around 80 cents. So again, that hourly bull flag target would bring us right around there as well. And then if we zoom out to the daily, like I said, there was a lot of daily bull flags, but not the case here for ADA. So it's playing catch up, but we are forming a daily high or low at the moment. It's not a daily bull flag because we pulled back more than we would have liked to see, but we have our low, high of the bounce. We're forming a higher low, so key support on the daily is going to be 68 cents. And then, like I said, resistance to break is that 76-cent area. If we can break that, then we're going to be off to the races. And then we have a lack of resistance on the daily up to 85 cents. So things are looking good. We could potentially change the daily trend here. We're still in a daily downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. So we're forming the higher low. If we break 76 cents, then that's going to be a daily uptrend confirmed. And then, like I said, we could easily be back up to that dollar mark. And with this weekly 50 and 200 moving average crossing bullish, things are going to heat up in a big way. And we actually call this in the POW algo alerts a platinum bull cross. So you'll get an alert when the 50 weekly and the 200 weekly moving average cross bullish. You'll get it when it crosses bearish. I call that a platinum bear cross. You'll also get alerts whenever golden crosses happen when the 50 and the 200 day moving average cross. That's a golden cross. Death crosses when the 50 is above the 200 and they cross. Tons of downside. That's exactly what happened. It's a bear cross, a death cross. It's in the name. You'll get alerts as well in the POW algo service. And just as a quick heads up, the POW algo alerts is going to be, this was yesterday, so for like another 24 hours, you're going to get half off of the POW algo service alert. And that's for the annual membership. If you just go to my YouTube channel, click on posts, it'll be the first one there, and then there's the link. I'll also put links for this and SST Gold Ink in the description and in the comment section below as well. And if you go to my website, powgroup.ca or pursuitofwealthgroup.com, again, there'll be links in the description and the comment section. I also just launched the advanced course. That was launched yesterday, and it took me like 5 months to make it, over 100 hours. Essentially, I'm trying to condense 15 years of my experience into about 15-hour course, and you can view the course curriculum there. All right, going into there, it's Rod with POW Group. It's an exciting time over the next coming weeks and months as we enter into the full-fledged alt season that we've all been waiting for. All right, thanks again for joining us in the Pursuit of Wealth. It's Rod with POW Group, and we'll see you again on the next one.